Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best portable air conditioner on the market, the Serenelife SLPAC8 05W.5. If you're looking for an effective, space-saving cooling solution for your room, this is the product to consider. The Serenelife SLPAC8 05W.5 is a powerful, 3-in-1 air conditioner that combines cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes into one compact unit. With a cooling power of 8,000 BTU, it's designed to comfortably cool rooms up to 400 square feet. Whether you're trying to beat the heat in a small apartment or need a portable option for your office, this AC unit has you covered. One of the standout features of the SLPAC8 05W.5 is its built-in dehumidifier. This unit not only cools your space but also removes excess moisture, creating a more comfortable environment, especially during those sticky, humid summer days. Plus, it offers both manual and automatic drainage options, making it super easy to maintain. Control is effortless with the included remote control, allowing you to adjust the temperature, fan speed, and modes without leaving your seat. The digital touch button control panel is also intuitive, giving you full control over your cooling experience. And for those quiet nights, the SLPAC8 05W.5 operates at a noise level of just 55 to 57 decibels, ensuring you can relax in peace without loud, disruptive noises. Moving this unit around is no problem either. Thanks to its smooth wheels and side handles, it's easy to roll from room to room, so you can enjoy cool air wherever you need it. Whether you're cooling your bedroom, living room, or home office, the Serenelife SLPAC8 05W.5 provides portable comfort wherever you go. Another fantastic feature is the Wi-Fi connectivity, which means you can control your air conditioner from your smartphone. With this app integration, you can set your AC before you even step into the room, giving you a perfectly chilled space as soon as you arrive. No need to worry about the temperature anymore. At 46 pounds, it's not the lightest portable air conditioner, but it's designed to be sturdy and reliable. And let's not forget the window sealing kit included in the package, which helps ensure that cool air stays in and warm air stays out, improving the overall efficiency of your unit. In conclusion, if you're looking for a portable air conditioner that combines cooling, dehumidifying, and fan functions, plus the convenience of remote and Wi-Fi control, the Serenelife SLPAC8 05W.5 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this review from Product Critique. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Stay cool.